Tiger Bites.
Welcome back to Tiger Bites. I'm gonna go ahead and end this season with a Valentine's Day dessert. Let's call it Sex in a Glass. There's a lot of different names for this dessert, but I want to call it Sex in a Glass. So anyway, I'm gonna walk you through it today, and we'll measure things out as we go. Please that lover with something sweet, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/3 cup of sugar. I am using organic, but you could use whatever you like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add 2/3 cup of cocoa. Get it all in there. Right now I am making my pudding for part of this dessert. I'm gonna go ahead next and add a pinch of salt. And I am also gonna add 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Let's go ahead and combine very well. And go ahead and add 4½ cups of milk. Mix very well. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to go ahead and melt this and continue to mix on a medium heat until it boils. Once it starts boiling, you will remove it from the heat. This is the process of thickening. This activates the cornstarch. Just make sure you constantly stir so it don't stick. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and move on to my brownies. We're gonna add 1 stick of butter. Melt it down. I have 1/2 cup of cocoa here and 1 stick of butter melted. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it to the side. I cooked it on a medium to low heat, by the way. So I have some chopped walnuts here. I only added about maybe a little less than 1/2 cup because I don't want the walnuts to stand out too much in my brownies. So we're gonna go ahead and combine our sugar, which is 1 cup. And I'm gonna also add flour, which is about 1/4 flour, 1/4 a cup. Get her in there. We want to combine this very well. And I just want to add a pinch of salt. Combine. Woo! We're gonna go ahead and add 2 eggs, 1 at a time. You're gonna want to make sure this chocolate is cooled off enough so it don't scramble. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And let's go ahead and just add our 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna go ahead and add the chocolate mixture to the flour mixture. So I combined my chocolate and flour mixture for the brownies. Don't forget your oven should be on 325 before you even attempt to make them, because you want it to be hot as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten this out in brownie form. Pop it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Look at that. Awesomely creamy. You don't want to overmix ever. I am here with the final product of Sex in a Glass. This ain't the glass I wanted to use, but this is the glass I'm gonna use. Boys, use something sexier. Here we go. So we're gonna put a little bit of brownie in the bottom. We're gonna layer it. It's a little cherry. I'm already halfway through my Sex in a Jar. And I'm putting my homemade pudding. And I'm layering it with the whipped cream. I got strawberry ice cream. It's a cherry cordial. It's not strawberry. My bad. But there are strawberries in this dish. I'm just getting it all out here. So we got brownie. We got cherry cordial ice cream. We got fresh strawberries. We got whipped cream. And let's go ahead and top it off with fresh chocolate. Bam! Here we are. Sex in a jar. It doesn't have to be perfectly layered as long as you're making it for your lady, man, whoever you want. This is Tiger Bites. Tiger Bites. Happy Valentine's Day and bon appetit.
Tiger Bites.